The adult electric scooter 500-watt offers an impressive range of up to 25 miles, powered by a robust 500-watt peak motor that allows for a smooth ride at speeds up to 19 miles per hour. Equipped with a smart app and LED dashboard, this scooter lets you easily monitor your speed, range, and battery life, while also offering features like cruise control and enhanced security through app connectivity. With its durable aluminum alloy frame and IP54 water resistance rating, this electric scooter is designed to withstand various weather conditions, making it a reliable option for daily commuting. Safety is a priority with the dual braking system, which includes a front electronic brake and a rear disc brake, as well as integrated front and rear lights for increased visibility during night rides. Weighing just 27 pounds and featuring a one-click folding mechanism, the scooter is exceptionally portable, making it convenient for storage and carrying on public transportation. Riders can enjoy maintenance-free journeys thanks to the puncture-proof 8.5-inch solid honeycomb tires that provide a smooth and shock-absorbing experience on rough terrains.